Today I'm at SeaWorld Orlando for the first time. SeaWorld brought me out for their 7 Seas Food Festival, and I'm really, really excited to ride some world-class roller coasters and obviously try some of this food. First ride of the day, pipeline. Hell yeah. Holy, oh! Holy shit! Pipeline, one of the craziest coasters I've ever been on. I've been on other stand-ups, but that thing is so different. Like, the way you come out of your seat is so weird, and you have to you just have to try it for yourself. That thing is insane. I think we're gonna go do Icebreaker next, but yeah, that was insane. Oh, yes! Whoa! Whoa! Oh! Just did Icebreaker. Icebreaker's a good time, but I don't know if it's worth, I mean, we waited forever. Everything's on one train right now, so it's kind of annoying, but otherwise, there's good airtime in the front. No comfort collars, so that's a good time, but otherwise, yeah, it's all right. Y'all see both these options behind me? Look at that, dude. The Mexican's good, better. Mexican, better. Say what's up to the vlog.
Hey.
Damn, bro, they got rapids here. This looks crazy. Low-key worse than I thought, and Wait. We are going to ride Mako next, which I'm hoping is going to be the best ride here. We'll see. Very well themed. Oh, that's a steep jump! Oh! Oh, shit! Oh, that was sick! Whoa! Holy shit! This is gas, yeah. Whoa, shit. Wave turn. Whoa, oh, sick. Yo. Just did Mako. Mako's great. I was expecting a little more. The airtime, the floater airtime is insane in that drop. We did front and back. The back is definitely better. But honestly, Goliath for me is still my favorite hyper, but I can't blame you if it's so smooth. It's a great time. Mediterranean Market, gas. Pork chop. Brazilian Market. Steak from the Brazilian Market overtakes the lamb. Okay, besides how chewy it is, but otherwise this is great. All right, taste test of the tandoori chicken from the Indian Market. Ooh, that might be my favorite. Wait. That and the steak, right up there. Shrimp and broccoli from the Indian place, Indian Market. There you go. 7 out of 10. Great. Bro, oh my God, that is sick. We're about to go into the shark. Oh, there goes Mako. We're about to go into the shark tunnel. I don't know what it's gonna be like, but it looks insane online. Bro, this is sick. Oh my, look at these fish.
Look at that thing. That's like one of the most venomous,
Bro, look at these nurse sharks. Oh my gosh, this is insane. Bro, what type of shark is that? That is crazy. What is that? Oh. Bro, look at that. That's insane. I don't know what that is. That might have been the coolest thing here. That shark tunnel was sick. Oh my gosh, the shark's going above you. You can see the mouth underneath, all that. That's so worth it. I mean, there are so many food options here. This is ridiculous. Polynesian Market, wow.
They're like, let's fuck around and build this bullshit.
Antarctica. Never knew it could be 80 degrees here. I think Antarctica at SeaWorld's my favorite spot. Just the whole vibe of this place, it looks sick. I think we're gonna do Penguin Trek next. We'll see. Family coaster, new, launch coaster, we'll see. penguin
We
trap.
have an avian flu going on, so if in our birds don't have an
Penguin trek was not worth it itself for how long we waited, but the penguins that you get to see after were sick. So worth it. And Manta. That's what we're gonna do next. Love a good flying coaster. Oh, fuck! Oh my fucking god, that is so intense. Oh my god. Whoa! Oh! Hey! Oh shit! That was sick. Oh! What the fuck? Oh, that's alright. That was so good. I've done Superman Ultimate Fight at Six Flags Over Georgia. I do not remember the pretzel loop being nearly that intense. That was better than Superman though. That was better. And the theming was crazy, like even in the queue. We're going to go do Kraken, last roller coaster of the day, or at least the last one we haven't done. I don't really like being in roller coasters, but you know, the drop on this one looks better. Like Dominator really kind of pisses me off. Just finished the last ride of the day, Kraken. It was better. For being in floorless coaster, honestly, that was probably my favorite one so far I've done. All right, so here's my honest opinion. First time at SeaWorld, just as good as I thought it was. Great experience, other than the ride operations. They were one training most things. That was kind of annoying. Park's beautiful, great theming. Animals were incredible, loved that. Really wish we did Orca encounter. Saw one of those, but we didn't. And the rides are great. It's just like the operations just took so long that it was, I would definitely recommend you if you're in Orlando, definitely come here, but I'll see y'all later. Peace.